Quando andiamo in barca cerchiamo la libertà, l'evasione.
When we set for the sea, we seek freedom, evasion, and escape from the land, a rush through the waves. Maybe it is for this reason, all the sporty lines, all the red elements that we can find here and there, that this yacht has been named Cranchi Sessantasette 67 Corsa. The whole project is by Centro Studi Ricerche Cranchi Yachts, under the artistic direction of Christian Grande. The hull is by Aldo Cranchi. Sessantasette 67 Corsa is not a restyle of the Sessantasette 67, which is still in the range.
Lo scafo e il ponte inferiore sono
The hull and the lower deck have not changed, but the deck and the superstructure are totally new. It is a large yacht with a flying bridge, but with the lines of a coupe. The tones are marked by the colours and the fly, which is light and sleek. In addition to offer a lot of space for relaxation, it allows you to pleasantly steer outside. This concept favours lowering the centre of gravity and reducing weight, to which the use of carbon fibre also contributes. The hardtop is not provided, but this area can be sheltered with a shade sail mounted on removable rods. Red is not the only distinctive colour. The teak joints are grey, the sun deck and sofas have black leather edges, and black is the roof of the deckhouse, from the windshield mounts to the fly profiles. The real difference is the layout of the deck, different from the standard Sessantasette 67 and from other yachts. Let's try to think about the summer and the vacation, which is our first desire, living outside. Precisely for this reason, they have designed a long cockpit, partially covered and partially fully exposed. In this area, you can live the entire Mediterranean day from sunrise to sunset. The area covered by the upper deck and the lateral windows is furnished for every occasion: relax, conviviality and dining. The tables widen when needed, and the kitchen includes a refrigerator, ice maker and retractable television. The staircase with suspended steps seems to not encroach on the space and is very scenic. This area is totally open through the bow, but the large lateral windows can be opened, and in addition to natural ventilation, there is the air conditioning. Exposed to the sun is a sofa and sun deck of varying lengths. Below, the hangar spacious enough to accommodate a 3.25 metre tender. Integrated in the hatch are speakers and a shower. The swim platform is almost totally submersible to facilitate the launch and haul of the toys. The forward area has been conceived in the most up-to-date way, with a large sun deck and a living area formed by a forward-facing sofa and two armchairs with pivoting end tables. Optionally, everything could be shaded with an awning stretched between carbon poles.
La battagliola è alta e laddove
The guardrail is high, and where the windows lower to the deck, the gunwale lowers as well.
Si può dire che questo yacht offra un duplice modo di abitarlo.
We can say that this yacht offers two ways of living it. We already saw the external living area, but when we seek shelter inside, we again find everything we need: the sofa, the table with TV cabinets and the kitchen. The helm station is totally black. The ceiling, the console, the armchairs, the coatings. This is how it should be for better visibility at night, but also to avoid sun reflections on the windshield that reduce the purity of the daytime view. Displays can control everything, from the engines to the navigation, domotics and implants, entertainment systems, air conditioning and lights.
L'armatore ha la facoltà di scegliere.
The owner can choose the number of cabins, 3 or 4, in addition to the crew quarter with 2 separate beds and a bathroom with a shower. The owner cabin is full beam with the bed in the centre. There is also a walk-in closet and a little lounge with armchairs and coffee table. also having the function of vanity corner. The master bathroom is divided into 3 rooms. The toilets and the shower are in fact in separate rooms, in between the area with the 2 sinks that result in an extension of the suite. In the option with 3 cabins, there is an office area. As an alternative, here there could be a 4th cabin with bunk beds. In the guest cabin at the bow, many storage spaces satisfy those who like to have a rich wardrobe with them. All beds are arranged lengthwise. Rare on a 20-metre yacht to see them in this direction, which is then the most comfortable. The other guest cabin also has an ensuite bathroom, but serves as a dayhead for guests. A vanity completes the furnishing.
Anche per questo yacht.
Also for this yacht, the shipyard offers the Cranchi Atelier program, 3 different decoration proposals designed by Christian Grande. They are inspired by the canons of Italian beauty, with suggestions oriented towards classic or contemporary style. All have very refined taste. The propulsion system consists of 2 IPS 1350 systems by Volvo Penta, namely pod drive thrusters and 2 D13 inline 6-cylinder engines of 1,000 horsepower each. The bottom of the hull is full laminated. The bulwarks, on the other hand, is sandwiched to be stronger but also lighter. As you go up, the construction is lighter and lighter, with more use of carbon and less use of fiberglass. This is all for the purpose of lightness, yes, but also for the purpose of stability. In any case, for maximum comfort, we have 2 stabilization systems, the fins and the gyro stabilizer. Let's navigate against the waves, which have a maximum height of 1 meter. The quietness on board is excellent. They used on this boat the same systems employed on the Sessantasette 67 Fly and the Sessantasette 78 Fly. At cruising speeds between 11 and 18 knots, fuel consumption is 15 litres per mile. If we give gas, it seems the yacht behaves better. For example, between 19 and 22 knots, consumption has lowered, reaching 13.5 litres per mile. But how is this possible? We are going faster but consuming less. Yes, the angle of incidence of the hull is better. In fact, 22 knots, we can call it the highest and most efficient cruising speed. And now, unfailingly, full throttle. With the engines at 2,300 RPM, the maximum speed of this Cranchi Sessantasette 67 Corsa is 27 knots, and we have a load equal to 3/4 of the maximum one.
Cranchi
Sessantasette 67 Corsa is the evolution of a style and a concept, but also the evolution of the unseen, and which you can see by visiting the production facilities, where thanks to substantial investment, the quality of work and product quality has been greatly improved.